and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where I'm here at Walibi Holland in the Netherlands on the back row of Goliath. Now this is an awesome Intamin Megacoaster where you get plenty of airtime. It's a beautiful day for it as well, the sun's shining here on our trip to the Netherlands. Yeah, look at this. It actually used to have a green track and purple supports, and they updated the colour scheme a number of years ago now, so it's got the blue track and the black supports. Yeah, it looks a lot smarter now, in my opinion. And you're going to get some great airtime, some awesome views down here from on the back. Here we go. The brake run. Oh, it's a great Intamin Megacoaster. That is the views that you get from on there, but also the elements. Some great airtime, especially down here at the back. You got a mix of ejector, some floater airtime. It's nice and smooth and forceful. It's like a classic Intamin Megacoaster. Really enjoyed taking you on there for the ride. Have you ever been on Goliath here at Walibi Holland? Let me know in the video comments. Thanks for joining me here on Theme Park Worldwide. And that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there, keep on riding. See you in the next video.